Should we save him? Guys, where's Orange? My best friend. He's in the acid. Oh no, let's go save him. One last stroke, guys. I'm dead. I'm sorry, guys. One last stroke before I die. No! Why? Oops, I'm sorry. Let me open it right now. Yeah! Whoa, 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 what? I'm a brain rot. What just happened, guys? You got in the acid. What in the world? Yeah, you got in the acid. You said one last stroke before you die. I'm not gonna die today. I'm alive. Where's Blue, my old best friend? He's in the hospital. What happened? He got stabbed by Carnage. You mean the symbiote? Yep. Orange, we're gonna go to Blue right now in the hospital. Okay. No, Blue, please wake up. I can't. I'm sorry right now. I gotta go. I think this is the time. So guys, this is the true story about Orange and Blue. Blue has been stabbed by Carnage. You see that Orange is new because they are finding it 24 in 1 month ago, and where I was doing a first. Yeah, guys. Okay then. Well, looks like it came with a little too late. I wish he could be alive right now, guys.